Hey YouTube, this is Dick2 ASMR here. Usually I don't do videos on this type of topic and whatnot, but I wanted to show you guys this. I just wanted to say that I recently went to the doctor's office because I have diabetes, right? And my doctor decided to put me on Trulicity, and that's coming into the mail. But this used to be Humana Pharmacy, but it's Centerwell Pharmacy, and I will do an unboxing of the Trulicity medicine when I get in the mail sometime today. That's going by FedEx. Hold on, I'm logging into my account. Hold on, I know it's getting dark. It's kind of late at night and stuff like that. And I know, oh no. Okay. Actually, hold on. Don't mind that stuff right there. But, there it is. Trulicity 0.75 milligrams. And Jack Pen. I don't know what that means, maybe for the numbers or whatnot, but since this is a 90-day supply, I get 12 for 90 days. I get 12 for 84 days. Meaning there's basically four of them in one single box. But I get 3 boxes, I think. So when that comes today, hold on, I should check up on it now. Check up on the package. So I should go in the package to see what's at right now. And I'll just let you look at my Switch. And this is Friday, June 17th, and that is today. So it'll be in today. And so basically, I will do an unboxing video of it because I was wondering if since it has to be refrigerated, I was wondering if it comes in a box by itself that is cool or what. But that's all for right now. I'll switch it to being we'll switch it to being during the daytime. So 1, 2, 3, go. Hey guys, this is Decker 2 ASMR here. I'm back at you with another, to continue with the video I recorded this morning. I got my package finally, and so I'm gonna be opening it. I can show you from the view side. It came in a insulated box or styrofoam box because it has to be refrigerated and whatnot. And so let's see what it looks like on the inside. to, what do I call it, sorry about the background noise, guys. I do not, I sometimes forget them, but not all the time. Okay, here's my meds and whatnot. Then we show, whoa, they really insulated it good. Care for you and your environment. This gel pack is sink safe and recyclable. Please follow disposable directions on reverse side. Okay. Oh, this is kind of wet. So I'm gonna put it over here. Wow, they really insulated that good. Ooh. And that's it. I got like 3 boxes of it. I could put these back in here. And so, this is the Trulicity that I got. And it's the 0.5 milligrams. And it says, inject pen under the skin 1 time weekly. Kind of got busted up, but it's okay. So yeah, I shall open it when I do my injection. So see you then. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm back. Just had to change different camera positions and whatnot. So yeah, this is, I know it's probably backwards, but this is the Trulicity and whatnot, and I'm gonna open it. This is the instruction on how to use it, and this is just the pamphlet. So this is a 4-pen case and whatnot. So it's like 1 pen for each week. Be 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah. Today is Friday, and I'm gonna look through this real quick, so be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah. Oh, I dropped something. I just want to say sorry for my mess right now. But you can wear alcohol swabbies. And mm, mm, I'm gonna turn this down. I know how I'm gonna do this. You, can you see? Yeah, you can see. Okay, okay. And so I'm gonna do it like for anything. So kind of like right here. So I take this, and then like this. Kind of let the air dry a little bit. I heard this stings if it's right out of the cold, but I don't know. And also you can see the liquid in there. You can see a little bubble in there. I don't know how well you can see that. A little bubble. So you take this off. Ooh, and then you switch this to the green, and you hear that click. No. What? No. See, there's a needle in there. Yeah. And it does it by itself. And so there's a needle in there and whatnot. And so I'm gonna give you my real reaction to this of if it hurts or not. But let's get started. So I put it right here. Now on a count of three, I have to wait for after the first click, there will be a second click, and after the second click, I could take it out. Ready? One, two, three. Ooh. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. It's a teeny little one, but not too much. Just kind of, oh no, I dropped it. Kind of like massage the area or whatnot to like get the medicine going. Okay, so the needle was just a little bitty prick, but the bad part was that it kind of burned while injecting, but it wasn't that bad, to be honest. So yeah, ooh, it kind of burned now, but I'll be fine. Then you put this back on or whatnot, and then you dispose of it. So yeah, um, it the like right after I can see why they say let us set 30 minutes beforehand and whatnot before you use it because it burns. Yeah, it really does burn. So yeah, I didn't even listen to all the other people out there and whatnot and so and so. But I have to learn the hard way all the time. But so yeah, and then I take this and put it. Do I lock it? No, I don't lock. Oh wow, okay. And so this was a Trulicity 0.75. So yeah, um, yeah, so I shall let you guys know I shall do this every Friday, and I shall try to record myself doing it every Friday if I remember. Yeah, it, I had so much anxiety, but I also knew it wasn't gonna be that bad. But just the thought of it, it's just like just gotta get over it because I was willing to try this, and I didn't care and whatnot as long as it got my A1C level down from a 7.5 down to where it goes to normal. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my reaction to it, and this is that was my real reaction. But next time I will leave it out 30 minutes in room temperature, and so that it don't burn. Let's just hope and pray when I leave it out room temperature for 30 minutes, it doesn't burn. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a good day and be cool out there and whatnot. Wherever you are, won't be warm. But this is the bef- tracking the package, unboxing it, and the injection site. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Comment, like, and subscribe, and peace out, my dudes. Deck 2 signing off.